Hi everyone, now I'm gonna show you how to turn your 2D image into 3D. So let's start it. First of all, tap on shortcut like Shift A, Mesh, plane. After that, find your picture that you want to turn into 3D. In my case, it's Apple logo. Do right click on this image and click on properties in the drop down menu. After that, click on details and find the dimension. So here's 833 and 1023. So return to Blender, tap on plane, tap on N button, find here dimensions and type in 8.33, enter, agree, and 10.23. And I have dimensions like my image. Okay, so choose edit mode at the top left corner and do right click here, tap on subdivide and tap on this arrow at the bottom left corner. Choose number of cuts, for example 100. I wanna do gain 2. So after that, return to object mode and click on my plane. Find modifiers at the bottom right corner. Tap on add modifier, search, and search here displays. Okay, tap on strange like -2. After that, tap on texture button right here and tap on new. And now we need to add the image black and white. Open. As you can see, my apple is black and background is white, and we have model like this. Okay, return to modifiers and tap on this arrow, apply. So after that, tap on this viewport shading, change on edit mode, and just choose verticals like this. Tap on X button and verticals. So as you can see, I have Apple model, but with a little bit problem. So let's fix it. Return to edit mode, tap A, S, Z, and 0. That's pretty good. So now you can choose extrude, tap E, Z, and extrude this model. But as you can see, it's not shaded. So let's fix it. Return to edit mode, and here tap on select, find select sharp edges. And as you can see, Blender select only edge of my model. Tap on X, choose this viewport render and X-ray, and tap on B, shift, and choose like this. Right now you can tap on Shift D and copy this apple like this, and tap on P for selection. So as you can see, I have second model. Okay, that's pretty good. Let me return to object mode. Okay, now let me tap on model, right click, set origin to geometry. Okay, we have second apple icon. So now tap on second apple icon and tap on add modifier. Search here smooth and type in here 13, for example, and as you can see, it's awesome. Okay, apply. Okay, and after that go to edit mode. So now I have so much verticals. So now tap on Ctrl E and tap on unsubdivide in the pop-up window and type in here 3, for example. Yeah, it's pretty good, but you can have problem like this, and you can just choose it and just tap on M button and merge at center. Just fix it like this. I think it's ready. So now you can tap on line, tap on L button, and tap on F button to fill your apple, and tap on this and L and F, and as you can see, we have second smooth model. But let me do that in the 3D. Add a modifier, search, and find here solidify modifier, and make thickness like this. But as you can see, I have some problem. Let me fix it. Return to edit mode, choose this, Shift N, tap on inside button. It's pretty good, I think. After that, turn to object mode. But as you can see, I can tap on my model, tap on right click and shade auto smooth and smooth my model more. And also you can tap on model, add modify, find here bevel and settings it That's it, I hope it helps. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And also you can watch this video or this playlist about Blender.